Alright, today is a Monday. The market just opened for about 2 hours and has been a pretty good day so far. So Trump and Xi, their date is on. So market today is reacting very positively about their meeting. You can see market is all green. Marvell, Tesla, Lam Research, Palantir, Elf, Alphabet, Nvidia, ASML. Okay, so let's move into our updates. Just a quick updates today on our account. As you can see, the total asset now is $8,000 and 8306. So, and it's still moving. Today, all my holdings are in the green except Fiserv, this company here. Let's take a look at Fiserv. So for Fiserv, there's not much happening to the company. From the purchase until now, you can see it's very weak. The trading volume is very low and there's not much movement. So for now, I'm still holding on to just one share of Fiserv and we'll see how it goes. The account, oh yeah, back to the account. So the account holding currently is, the P&L is about $800. Total cash input now is around $7,500, $800 in the green. Not too bad. If we compare it to the S&P and the Nasdaq, you can see my account is over here. The yellow one is S&P. I mean the green one is S&P, and then the pink one is Nasdaq. So I'm almost on par with S&P now. Not bad for a new account. Just take a look at the holdings again. AMD has been doing good. Today is the highest is $258 for AMD at the all-time high now, close to $260. But many are saying that this company is has got a lot of potential moving forward in the future. So it may go to $300, $400, or $500 in next year. Not adding any more until if there's a major pullback, until in the range of about 150, 160, then I may consider to add more shares. Currently, I'm just holding what I have. We move on to Marvell. Marvell is the second highest gainer in my portfolio with about 40% gain. There's really not much news on Marvell recently. Today news was Qualcomm, ticker symbol QCOM. See the big green candle today for Qualcomm. We have good news today. Qualcomm stock skyrockets 19%, hits 52-week high after it announces chip to take on Nvidia and AMD. So another semicon company coming in to the market to trying to take some market share from Nvidia and AMD. 52-week high of $204. Whoa! So Qualcomm has not been in my watch list at this moment. Not doing a lot of research for this company. Next, L Beauty. So L Beauty, this stock movement is very much depends on the tariff. So if Trump and Xi have a good date, they're happy with each other, we will well be seeing all the stocks like L Beauty, their products, all the products related to the tariff, and this company may gain. I will not be adding more. This company is like a little bit of the speculative play, unless it goes down really, it goes down a lot, and then I probably may be thinking of adding more shares. Next, Fortinet, cyber security. So far, not much news. You can see all in the greens. Today, Nvidia is also in the green slightly. Today, they up about 2.5%. Definitely, if Nvidia can drop back down to about 170, in the range of 170 to 175, I'll be happy to add some more Nvidia shares. Nvidia, AMD, I'm planning to hold them for a long term. And unless something happened to their chips, yeah, so nobody can predict what is the future like, but based on the numbers now, based on Nvidia numbers, based on AMD potential upcoming numbers next year, in 2027, it's quite a safe bet for these two companies. Celsius, currently I'm holding 5 shares. The growth has slowed down a little bit, so now it's hovering around this range, $60 to $65 or $66 range. I doubt we'll go back down to this $62, the $52 range anymore. So if you can go back to about $55, it may be a good chance to add for Celsius. Speculative yet is growing, and it's a safer kind of speculative stocks, in my opinion. Meta. So very happy that Meta has been going up as well. My buy point is over here. Today, Meta is around $750 now. It's a matter of time. Meta can go back up to $800. If you come back down to about $690, I will definitely be happy to add one more share of Meta in this account. Amazon has been quite dead for the past 1-2 weeks, but the last few sessions has been popping back up. So now it's about 227. Not much new recently. So all these companies that I'm holding, right? So I'll be waiting interestingly for their earnings to come out. It's like a jam-packed action of earnings coming up. So we'll see how it goes. Adobe. The buyer's sentiment for Adobe has not been looking well, we can see. Although I like the company, the numbers are great. A lot of investors still are not believing in this company. I do have a decent amount of Adobe shares in my main portfolio. My allocation for Adobe is it's not the biggest, it's not the lowest, but it's somewhere in the middle. And then Faisal, if you have spoken, I would like to apologize if I'm really not in the video recording mood this week because the viewership has not been so welcoming, I would say. My views are slow and the subscription rate is also quite slow. It really takes a lot of effort to create videos like that, to edit them, to record them. And at this point of time, I am not in the right mood to do a long video. So at this moment, I will just summarize everything. Portfolio has been doing okay. It's up to about $800 of profit now. In any way, if I sell something or if I buy something, I'll definitely update over this channel. So to those subscribers and those who are still watching my videos, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one.